For any shoemakers out there 3D printing shoe lasts, you might want to consider using metal thimbles. I've been stocking the most common size for a while now on 3dshoemaker.com. Now I've added a larger size. In this video, I'm showing some of the measurements. You can also find these on the product page. All 3D Shoemaker Shoe Last models can be ordered with the appropriate hole size, and the 3D Shoemaker plugin for Rhino can also create these default sizes and any other sizes for that matter too, as I'll show at the end of this video.